Because they never show this part.
I was, I'm going you back here. You're Teddy Lambert, right? Teddy Lambert. Teddy used to, I don't think he ever successfully completed a run for a real long period.
They never showed his
right
part.
down to the floor, and then when it stopped running, he'd just sit there and wait for somebody to pick him up.
They're usually pretty good. This is unfortunate.
It's all good till it ain't. And it ain't.
Yeah.
Well, no, I was going to do the same thing. I was going to document the attempted repair, and he was like, "No, I don't want anybody to know how." He was like, "Everybody already knows, dude. What are you talking about?" We wrote songs about you.
This is the sixth run I've done with you. Second time we broke down. Once on the Hudson, once here. So that's not bad. The old Sonic man one time, I blew a motor, and we were all the way by the top of Z with me and Tom. We came through the Harlem River. He got so frustrated, we rigged the motor, got it running, got it up in plane, and that was enough. That was it. Whatever happened after that, we had parts in the bilge, it didn't matter. But the Sonic had 3 engines. No, it was twin, that a real old Sonic. We were playing with the first one. Yeah, we were playing with Pro Chargers back then. Tommy loved the Pro Chargers.
Fucking junk. You're just wasting those. You don't have heat. You don't want to do that anyway. How about some strippers?
Hey, Bob.
Yeah.
In the green bag.
Green bag?
Yeah, the green tool bag, you'll see some wire strippers.
We didn't really run hard, you know.
It's like one of those things, like, you know, what else
Yeah.
could go wrong? Okay,
Kept it under 95. Yeah, we didn't really run hard. Just ran into some bad luck. But that is making me think that that's the next thing to come off is that filter.
There's a strainer in that upper one.
Is there?
Yep. One of those
That's, you know what? That's what
cone things, you know.
What I'm surprised Merck never did. Weldon recommends 100 micron before the pump, 10 before the pump, and 100 right after the pump.
100.
100. And I'm surprised Merck just puts the one up top.
Do that only on diesel. They do that.
I know.
It is fuel injected, so I guess you need to find.
Were you wearing a kill switch?
Yes.
Nice.
Of course. I always do, buddy.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
God forbid. God forbid. I think he's going to take off.